Welcome to the IEWICOOK Ice Cream Masterclass. I'm so excited to finally learn the secrets behind those incredible frozen treats we see on the channel. I'm ready to share everything. Over the next 10 episodes, we're going beyond the basics. We'll cover technical roasting, smart ingredient swaps, and even some boozy infusions. From fresh strawberries and mangoes to some really surprising ingredients like beetroot and Guinness.
Exactly. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, by the end of this series, you'll have the skills to turn any pantry staple into a gourmet dessert. Let's get scooping.